I'm Aiden from top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring the 10 best options for you every time. Let's talk about Wix. Wix.com is one of the best-known drag-and-drop website builders. Their product has improved dramatically since the company was founded in 2006. These days, Wix features a library of more than 500 templates, unlimited fonts, and built-in mobile optimization. With Wix, you can roll out sophisticated e-commerce sites, build beautiful blogs, and even process online bookings. Now let's dive into the details. You don't need to be a coding prodigy to get your first Wix site on the internet. In fact, if you can't tell a line of HTML from PHP, that's perfectly fine. Wix is designed for people like you. With more than 500 templates laid out and ready to go, you don't need to waste your time building the site from scratch. Although you can if you'd like. While there isn't a template for quite everything yet, you'll probably find something close enough to what you're looking for. Wix offers 4 plans for personal users. These come with a full range of Wix features. Users that pay more get access to more storage and add-on services, such as professional logo design and social media logo files. If you need a site for your business, Wix sells 3 e-commerce packages, which give business owners varying degree of features, depending on the size of your business. If you're not exactly sure how many features you need right now, that's no problem either. It's not hard to upgrade your plan with Wix. It can be completed without speaking to a staff member. And the second you switch, you'll be able to access the latest crop of features. Wix's library of more than 500 free templates have all been handcrafted by designers with SEO squarely in mind. Wix's template library is constantly being updated, so if you feel like your site's in need of a makeover, you can easily switch to a new template. Wix lets users choose between design crafted for businesses ranging from advertising to real estate and law. Wix offers some useful SEO tools to make sure that your site ranks well online. If you want to dive deeper into fine-tuning your site's performance, Wix offers advanced tools including a robots.txt editor, a bot log, and a bulk 301 redirect editor. If you need to use your site to sell online, Wix e-commerce offers customized solutions for anything from managing online inventories to keeping track of stock directly through the platform. Wix supports both transferring domains in order to connect them to Wix websites and migrating online shops from other platforms using the cart-to-cart transfer service. When it comes to building sites, Wix can handle more than just the basics. Wix ADI is their AI algorithm that can spin out user websites with just a few clicks. Wix is known for offering good customer support. They can be reached by phone and live chat. The team also operates a callback service in multiple languages, including French, German, and Spanish. Whether you need help or ayuda, Wix has you covered. Wix combines the simplicity of drag and drop with a powerful set of features, including its AI-powered builder. It's a great choice for both businesses and individuals that want to create a powerful and high-performing website without the hassle. I hope this video helped you decide whether Wix is the right website builder for your needs. For more reviews, check out top10.com. Top10.com, the 10 best every time.